Hey curious minds, have you ever wondered about how your computer or tablet works? Well, it uses something called classical computing. But there's a new kind of supercomputer being built which works totally different. It is called quantum computing. So welcome back to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. In today's video, we are going to learn about quantum computers. Let's start with a coin. Imagine this coin is a bit. If it lands on heads, it's 1. And if it lands on tails, it's 0. Simple, right? Every game, app or website that you use are built on thousands, even billions of these zeros at once. But now, let's add a twist to it. What if this coin could be spinning in the air representing both 0 and 1 at the same time? This is what happens in quantum computing. Without being just a 0 or 1, it can be 0 and 1 at the same time. This magic coin is called a qubit, and this idea is called superposition. It is just a fancy word for being in different states at the same time. To understand superposition even better, imagine you are in a giant maze. Now you have to find the right path to get out, right? The normal computer can try just one path at a time, but quantum computer, thanks to superposition, can try so many paths at the same time. That is how powerful quantum computers are. They don't just guess, instead try a lot of options parallelly and find the answer faster. Now let's meet another quantum superpower called entanglement. Now let's imagine two best friends. Let's call them Cuba and QB, and they are miles apart. If Cuba smiles, instantly QB does too. And if Cuba frowns, instantly QB does too. This spooky connection is called entanglement. And in quantum computing, if you change one qubit, the other changes instantly no matter how far apart they are. Quantum computers are not just cool, they help solve big problems like curing diseases, finding new planets, even protecting your data. Yes, it is still being built and tested, but you can be the future quantum scientist who can change the world. Next time you flip a coin, remember, in the quantum world, it could land on both sides. Hit the like button if your brain went wow, and don't forget to subscribe because in our next video, we are going to dive into the topic how quantum computer actually works.